latest guide to simple and easy cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make cinnamon scrolls with cream cheese frosting. So let's get started.
For the dough, I've got here 3 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour which I have sifted, 3/4 cup of warm milk, 60 grams of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of instant dried yeast, this is the one I'm using, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of caster sugar or you can use white sugar and some extra flour for dusting. For the filling, I've got here half cup of brown sugar, 60 grams of slightly melted butter or you can use soft butter and 3 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. For the cream cheese frosting, I've got here 1.5 cups of icing sugar or powdered sugar which I have sifted, 125 grams of cream cheese. This is the one I'm using, but you can use any cream cheese that you can get in your country. 50 grams of soft butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of milk. You will also need a baking tray, a piece of baking paper, and a non-stick cooking spray, or you can use 1 tablespoon of soft butter to grease the baking tray. Take sugar, add cinnamon powder, mix it well and put it aside. Take your baking tray, spray it with some cooking spray, line it with baking paper, spray some more cooking spray and put it aside. Take flour, add yeast, give it a quick mix using a whisk and put it aside. Take a big dish, add milk, egg, salt, sugar and melted butter and beat it well using a whisk. Add the dry ingredients and mix it until just combined using a wooden spoon. Transfer the dough onto the clean bench top and knead it until smooth. At first, the dough will be slightly sticky. Do not add extra flour. Continue kneading it for 3 to 4 minutes and the dough will become soft and smooth and will be no longer sticky. Cover the dough with the dish on the bench top and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, sprinkle some dry flour on the bench top, place the dough on the floured surface and sprinkle some more dry flour on the top and roll it into a big rectangle. Turn the pastry around so the longest side is facing you. Spread butter on the pastry first and then sprinkle cinnamon sugar on top of the butter and spread it evenly using your fingers. Roll it upwards from the longest side until you reach the top and pinch the ends to seal. Cut it into 12 equal sized pieces using a string or a serrated knife and place them on the lined baking tray, leaving a small gap between them. Cover it with a plastic wrap and then cover it with a tea towel and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size depending on the weather. Once the scrolls have doubled in size, preheat your oven at 175 degrees for a fan-forced oven and 190 degrees for a conventional oven. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes or until you get a golden brown color on the top. Take it out of the oven and let it cool while we get the cream cheese frosting ready. Take a big dish, add powdered sugar, cream cheese, butter, vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of milk and beat it using an electric beater. Add the remaining milk and beat it well until combined, scraping the sides of the dish using a spatula. Spread it evenly on top of the scrolls while they are still warm and it is ready to serve. My easy cinnamon scrolls with cream cheese frosting is ready and you can serve them warm or cold. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.